I wanted to make a video on how to do a material swap for stuff, and I thought this is a good little thing I could use, since it's, you know, pretty simple and it has a nice amount of materials to go through. So first things, I'm going to right click here, create, and then create a animator controller, and then you can just name that swap. And then on your avatar, you want to drag and drop that in the controller, and then we can just start up with the animations here. Create a new animation. I wanted to do it in here specifically. I'll just name this one 1, and then make another one 2. I believe there's 6 materials, and you just want to keep doing this until you have the same amount of numbers as your materials that you want to make toggles for. So for 1, I'm just gonna, this is gonna be the 1 because this is gonna be the one I want my avatar to have automatically. So I think for 2, I'm gonna have this material. So I'm gonna do 2 first, actually, because of a thing I'm gonna show you. You might not see the change, but it's because it's on this side. Animation, preview. Then we can go to 3. I think I'm gonna do this hyper one. Preview 4. And then I'm gonna do basic 5. Do wood. And 6. I'm gonna do monster. It's the final one. And then back to 1. We'll put this one on here. And go to the animation, and then put the original one you had on. And then preview. And then you put this one back on. So that's the animations made. Those are in here. I actually want to move these into materials here. Keep it nice and organized. And then you go to your avatar, you just click the name, click the menu. I already have this one made, but you can make a control and then name it like swaps and make it a submenu, and then right click here, create VR chat avatars menu, and swaps. And then you can add as many material swaps as you want, whatever you want. And you go back to here and make sure you can drag and drop this into here. Or you can click the dot and type in swaps. Usually people edit avatars with a lot of them, so usually I just type it in. I already have one though, so I'm gonna just add control here. Add swap. Yeah, so I don't like the way it looked. And then add a radial puppet. And then we're gonna go to our parameters. I already made one, but the way to make one is you click add. I named it match change. You can name it whatever you want, and then make it a float. And then back to the swap here. you just put in the float. And I'm gonna just copy this now. And then in here, in your, that's the wrong one. Where is it? It's in here. And here, you add a layer, unit, let's change the weight to 1. And then you right click, create new blend tree. Go to parameters, right here, float, let's change. And then you open this, click on here, and then you add as many as you have. I have 6, so I'm gonna add 6. I'm bad at math. I got 6, okay. So the first one is 1, and then 2, 3, 4, oh, I missed, 5, and 6. In here, when you click on this, the parameter up here, you click the down arrow and click let's change. I believe that's it. I'm going to test that because I'm not confident in myself. Oh, I know what I need to do. I know what I'm forgetting. It is in, I will show you. It is in, I think it's click manage project. Yes, here. Make sure you import gesture manager and avatar manager. I usually import these whenever I'm importing objects. It makes it 10 times easier. Open VR Labs, drag and drop the name, the it should be the FX, and then I go to the bottom, merge, and the name is Swaps. Oh, I have 2. Let me delete the other one real quick. So I don't know what the other one is. Okay, now I can do this. Swaps, add that one, and merge on current. I just do it that way, especially I recommend doing it that way so that you have your own FX for it, so that when you click on it, it's simple and easy like this, and you don't have to like scroll all the way down. Like for instance, if I click here and I put this on, if it'll let me. I go here and I click animation, and I click this. Like I don't want to have to scroll all the way down just to get this. You know what I mean? Okay, now I'm going to save this, make sure it doesn't like die, and then go to play mode. Fidget cube, turn that on. Swaps. There we go. So that it loads whatever it is. For me, it's these, but for you, it's whatever, right? This works on only materials, remember that. It's a whole different system, I've noticed, for meshes. So like if you wanted to make a radio reel for your tops or something, it's a different system for that. I think I will make a video on how to do that as well, but for now I'm just going to be doing this one. Close that. Okay, I do recommend you using these for that, and just making new ones, like I did, the making a new FX. It makes it 10 times easier, so I recommend it at least. Have a good day.